नांव कितें? तुजें नांव कितें?
माझं नाव शोभावती तुकाराम परवार.
परवार. हय. आतां तुजें कितें घरा कितें जालें? घरा कितें जालें तुगेलें?
पंकर मोडलें.
मोडलें घर? केन्ना मोडलें?
काल.
आनी तुजी भुरगीं कितलीं आहा तुका?
भुरग्यां ना म्हाका. तुझ्या चेडपेडे आहेत.
एक्सपायर जालें चेडे. हय. आनी कोण? चेडूं आहा? भाव आहा?
बापूलबा तो पेड्या आला.
तो पेडे आहा. आनी भयण आहा?
ना.
आनी कोण ना तुजें आतां हांगा? परवाड्या तुजें कोण सोयरी बी कोण आहा?
परवाड्या ती तो गोरेश म्हणटा ते.
आं.
ते वाड्या बापूल आगे मावसबा चेडो.
आं. पयसुल्ले ते सगळे. हय. आतां तुजें घर मोडलां म्हूण तुका आमी आतां शेल्टर होमान दवरतले स्टेट प्रोविडन्सान. तूं येता मगे?
मागीर सरान म्हाका गेलो न्हू.
हय.
मागीर कितें करूं?
म्हणल्यार तूं येता? तूं येवन शेल्टरांत थंय राव. सुशेगाद राव थंय. हां. हय मगे? रावता मगे? हय म्हूण सांग मगे. सांग मगे कितें सांग मगे. आं?
सांग ना आनी कितें?
हां म्हळ्यार येता तर तूं. बरें ओके. थँक्यू.
Hi, I'm Donald Fernandez, Street Providence, Goa. On Sunday there was a massive flood and a lot of rainfall, and this poor lady's house, who you see in the picture, collapsed in the middle of the night on Sunday night. The local MLA, Sri Nilesh Kabral from Kurchali, stepped inside. They got her evacuated from the home, and on Monday they shifted her into our shelter home, and we were glad to provide her a warm bed and provide her relief in this huge rain which has affected Goa for the last 2-3 days. She has her husband has died, her 3 sons have died, and she's basically homeless, in the sense homeless now because the house is broken down. She has no living family members. She's quite old, and as part of our program of helping persons, Goan people who have nobody, we have admitted this lady into our shelter home. So if you know such people who have lost their homes due to the rains in Goa, you are always free to contact Street Providence Goa. Thank you so much.